If you work with PDFs, you know how frustrating it can be switching between different tools just to edit, sign, convert, or merge files. Well, today we're checking out SwifDoo PDF, an all-in-one, lightweight, and feature-rich PDF editor that does it all in one place. So let's get to it. SwifDoo PDF is designed with a clean, modern-style interface. It's beginner-friendly while offering advanced tools like OCR text recognition, batch processing, file compression, and format conversion between PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and image files. It's fast, affordable, and a great alternative to other heavier editors like Adobe Acrobat. Let's go grab the SwifDoo PDF software and give it a whirl. You can download SwifDoo PDF directly from their official website or from the link in our video description. They offer a free trial with access to all their major features, so you can test it before upgrading to a paid plan if needed. Just click free download, run the installer, and just a few minutes later, you'll be ready to go. Once installed, launch the SwifDoo PDF software, and you'll see a clean, modern office-style interface that feels instantly familiar. SwifDoo PDF is designed for simplicity. You'll find tabs for View, Edit, Convert, Annotate, Protect, and more. Everything is clearly labeled, and you can even customize the toolbar for your most used tools. One of the standout features is all of their PDF editing tools. You can click anywhere on the page to edit text directly. No exporting needed. You can also change fonts, colors, and paragraph alignment. And unlike many editors, it handles complex formatting very well, even when working with scanned or multi-column PDFs. Need to highlight text, add comments, or underline key sections? The Annotate tab lets you mark up PDFs just like in a real document. Great for students, professionals, or home users. SwifDoo PDF also doubles as a powerful PDF converter. You can easily turn PDFs into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or image files with a few clicks. The conversions are fast and pretty accurate. Document formatting and tables usually stay intact. And if you need to go the other way, you can convert Word or image files right back into PDFs. You can also merge, split, extract, or compress PDFs, ideal for managing large reports or multi-page documents. For business users, SwifDoo includes solid security and e-signing tools. You can add password protection, restrict editing or copying, and create digital or handwritten signatures. There's even an option to timestamp and verify signatures, which is great for contracts and official paperwork. SwifDoo PDF also features cloud storage via their SwifDoo Cloud. This enables you to work on documents, cross-platform with all of your devices. SwifDoo Cloud supports Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. Collaborate with your team efficiently from anywhere. Other useful tools include a built-in OCR feature for recognizing text in scanned PDFs, dark mode for night work, and batch processing, letting you convert or compress multiple PDFs at once. It even integrates with popular cloud services like Google Drive and Dropbox for seamless storage and sharing if desired. In daily use, SwifDoo PDF feels fast and stable. It opens large documents quickly and doesn't eat up memory like some bigger name editors. If you're looking for an affordable alternative to Adobe Acrobat, this one checks all the boxes: editing, converting, signing, and securing, all in one small package. So whether you're a student, small business, or professional user, SwifDoo PDF gives you everything you need to handle your documents efficiently. Again, if you want to try for yourself, check out the link in the video description. You can start with the free trial and explore all the features yourself. Thanks for watching today's video on SwifDoo PDF software. If you found this software review helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech tips, software reviews, and computer tricks. Otherwise, we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye, everybody.